Good morning. So we are, what is this? This mountain right here. South Mountain Park. Parking lot is full per usual. There should be some sort of, it's like a natural tunnel on this trail. I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of trails that lead to it, but this one I believe is the quickest way to get to it. I assume most people are here to go see that. And it's not that steep. So, as you can see, South Mountain Park Reserve. A little bit messy, but yeah, you get the gist. So it looks like we start here. Here's all the parking. Very minimal parking. Oh snap, somebody's from New Jersey here. And look at this little area. This is pretty cool. Oh. Yeah, I did hamstring curls and boy, my legs are cooked. That's all I'm gonna say. But so yeah, as I said, there's a natural tunnel around here. Many places I want to visit around Arizona, especially a famous like water hole or something like that. But that's like way up north. I believe like around the Navajo reservation area. So one thing at a time. Now that I'm working, gonna have to wait until the weekends or when I'm off and stuff. But it's gonna be awesome, man. I can't wait. Look at this right here. I'm just stepping to the side, let this gentleman go. You can see. Look at this. This is in wide angle. Amazing. Yeah, like I said, relatively this is a relatively easy trail. It does go up, but it's not steep. So that means obviously the mountain is short as far as height goes. So once you come up here, initially, looks like it sort of drops down a little bit, and I think I can see where you might have to go to, but I'm just looking to get to the natural tunnel. I mean, there's a person right there. There's also another person way up there. You can see this is where we are right now. This is where we started. In order to get to that natural tunnel, yeah, we have a little bit of ways to go. So look at these natural like lines. You can see it's part of the stone here. It's really interesting. Look at this right here. It's cool. All right, so I believe this way. And after you climb that, looks like an area that flattens out here. You can see more of a Phoenix area. So let's continue. So the one thing I'm noticing about this mountain so far on this trail is the rock formations are quite interesting, which is why I'm here to see the natural tunnel. So yeah, there's actually a rock right here. As you can see, there's like there's a space between them, and it's just like perfectly narrow space. It's just nice, man. That's all I'm saying. This is a nice little flat area here. This is really flat. If you woke up here, not to sound dark, but you would think you're at ground level, but nope. As you can see, you have to get down a mountain. All right, so here we are. I'm actually quite close. Once you pass all the normal like trail hiking stuff, it really just flattens out sort of and becomes this like sort of bike path. So everything is kind of smoother, has like grooves, you know, just got to be careful you don't slide. So once you're done all that, you'll come across this here. It'll have like a split way. It doesn't say it, but if you just walk right here, you'll get this sign. It'll tell you on the back side. You just go this way. Alright, here we are. This is amazing. Look at that. Wow. It is very quiet here. That is amazing. Technically cave diving. Wow. Yeah, taking in all its glory. I mean, this rock right here is literally being held up. That's pretty much what forms the tunnel. And you can see the way the rock is sort of shiny. It's interesting. And it's like sand right here. So this is awesome. And there's a tunnel. Oh, a hummingbird. I don't know if you can see that. Dude, look at this. There's gotta be something in there. Probably a gigantic spider. As you can see, we got webs right here. Holy crap. But yeah, man, here's a tunnel. Alright, and it's time for me to head back because there are quite a few trails that lead to this natural tunnel. And yeah, my parking is way back there. So, per usual, going to go back. All right, as you can see, we are finished. My car is parked there. Goodbye.